What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? I hope everybody's having a fabulous Monday because I'm having a great Monday. Woo-hoo! So anyway, I'm coming in with another luxury video, so I hope you guys are not getting tired of these videos because I'm gonna continue to keep doing them if I can, but it won't be all the time because you know, like I said on the last luxury video, if you did not check that out, please check out my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton pochette. That I have to save my coins for this, but this time I get to come in with another one only because I won this from the giveaway. And I'm going to make sure I put the lady's name down below, but I'm gonna also put it across the screen. Her name is ISY PEC. Okay, so right here, please, my subscribers, go check out her channel. Her collection of luxury, you know, handbags, small leather goods. It is on point and I'm loving them. And you know, hey, I just want to shout you out, girl. Thank you so much. I am so glad that you got me. And let me tell you guys a little backstory before I open this up. Or should I just open it now? Let's open it now and I'll tell you guys, okay? So anyway, I got this. I'm not going to turn it over because it has her information on here and I don't need nobody stalking me, okay? So anyway, so let's go ahead and ooh. So this was her giveaway that I entered. It was her, was it 250 or 350 subscriber giveaway? I can't remember, that I entered in and I won. So I was so excited when she told me that I won. Okay, so it's wrapped in this bubble wrap. So pretty. Are you guys wondering what I got? Huh? Are you guys wondering? Are you guys wondering? Oh, she got it wrapped nicely. Thank you, lady, because I absolutely appreciate that. You know, especially when it's a luxury good. We don't want it all, you know, coming all nasty and stuff, you know. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe I should have did this off camera, but you know what, y'all already know me. This is the real, okay? This is the real. Okay, so it's in all this bubble wrap. And it's, okay, so yes, it's another Louis Vuitton. No, I can't sing. I know I can't sing, y'all. So anyway, she did give me the bag it comes in. Thank you, girl. Oh, she did give me a card. I don't know if I should read this on camera. If it's suitable, I will read it on camera, but I'm gonna check that out in a second. So it comes in this. So this is the original blue ribbon that it comes in. The last one that you saw, my last haul, that was the holiday ribbon, which is the gold, but this is the blue ribbon right here, which says Louis Vuitton. Okay, we're gonna leave the ribbon on because the drawer box is like this. So we're gonna open it up. Open it. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Ooh, she, oh my gosh, okay. Okay, she, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys this. Okay, I think you guys already saw it, but okay. So, oh my gosh, she gave me another one. Shoot. Okay, so this is okay, when she did the little giveaway, you know, she put all of our names in her mug and she reached down and this was it. Okay, I'm cheesy, I know. Okay, so it came in this drawer box, sorry, and it comes in the little disc book. So I won. Not only did I win a luggage tag, but she hot stamped it from New York for me. I'll just wait a minute. Not everywhere can get this hot stamp. We'll wait a minute on that too. Anyway, y'all, I'm just so excited. Look at that. Gosh, come on now. Pick up better. Okay. Come on now. Can y'all see that? Okay, so this is the small luggage tag that I won, and she had asked me if I wanted it hot stamped with the New York apple on it, and what color foil I wanted, and even if I even wanted it hot stamped too. So I wanted the gold foil. I wanted it on the front, not the back, because you can pick either side you want it from. So I sure did. I won a Louis Vuitton luggage tag. So to be honest with you, I absolutely love this size luggage tag for my Speedy 25, which in a few minutes I'll go get that and I'll put it on, put this on her so that you can see. And I'll show you guys my large luggage tag so you guys can see the difference between the two, because this size works so much more better than the large one for my Speedy 25, because my Speedy 25 is much smaller than the 30 and 35. Like, those sizes look a little bit better with the large, but this one is perfect size for the 25. So I want to say thank you so much, Izzy. I feel like I even know you even better now. We chit chat a little bit. I told you a little bit about myself. Now, backstory. I want to tell you guys how this all worked out, and I'm gonna hold it in my hand like this, okay? So, I was on my way to a doctor's appointment. There we go. I have been having a rough time. That's why, you guys, honestly, the last week I have not put any videos out. I'm very sorry that I haven't, but stay tuned, because before this video will be Scarlett's video of her hair, which you guys have been wanting. But anyway, it's been rough for me, okay? So rough. And when I'm backing out of my driveway and I'm taking off, I get a message from Instagram, and I have my phone propped up on the dashboard little thing that I have, right? So I see Instagram. I'm like, who's messaging me? And then all I saw, Izzy, was, I hope you're sitting down, or something like that. And I said, did somebody die? I mean, I didn't even see it was from you, girl, okay? So anyway, I pull over real quick, and I look at it, and I said, oh my God, I won. I just got like that feeling all over your body, like that tingling feeling, like, oh my God, I won. Oh, girl, I can't lie. I even like shed a couple tears, because like I said, I have been going through such a hard week. And this is the first week, I mean, well, it was last week, today's Monday, but last week, literally, it had been so rough for me. Monday through Saturday has been nonstop. You know, with my husband being deployed and me having to do everything, homework, sports, games, you know what I mean? And I cook nonstop for my kids. So it's kind of, y'all just say a prayer for your girl, because girl, ladies and gents, it's just been rough. And I just want to tell you, this means so much to me, okay? I hope you understand that I am going to always cherish this, because there's always going to be a story behind this. You know what I mean? Not only did I freaking, oh my God. You don't understand. I've been wanting a new one, and I've been wanting a smaller one, because like I said, the large one was just too big for my Speedy girl. So anyway, I'm going to compare the two so that way y'all can see, okay? Okay, so you guys, here is the comparison between the small luggage tag and the large. So you guys can tell that, for one, it is a big difference in size, much more smaller. And can you guys look at, like, this was once this color, the fuchsia, however you guys pronounce it, the fuchsia leather, has patina to a beautiful honey gold, which this one is not stamped whatsoever. It is just plain. And I got this one pre-loved, and I originally bought this so that way I can hang it on my Speedy. But talking to some of the ladies that I'm part of the Louis Vuitton Addicted group, they're kind of like, no, it's too big. And I kind of feel like the large is too big. So I feel like the smaller one is definitely going to look a lot cuter, you know, as a bag charm. So Thank you, girl. And then also, she added on these hooks, which I'm so glad because I can use these for many different things, honestly. But definitely going to use them for, two of these are going to be definitely used for this. So she added these in. So thank you so much. How many did you add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these. Thank you, Izzy. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put this on my bag now, y'all. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, so here she is with her new luggage tag. Yes, it is so off in color, but it's all good because one day they will all be the same color. But look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, it is like, that foil is everything about right now, y'all. Can y'all, oh my gosh. Just know it says New York, okay? The apple. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Izzy. I appreciate it. And I know I keep saying that over and over again, but I definitely appreciate this. And girl, y'all subscribers, my family, that I know a lot of you are into my hair videos, but the ones that I am, that love to watch me just in general, please, all of you guys, please go ahead to her channel. Her content is so good. She's for real. She's funny. And check out her luxury. This is what the card is, and it says hello in foil gold. Looks really pretty. And it says, hi Maisha, congratulations on winning this luggage tag. Please be sure to let me know how you like it. I am enjoying your video so much. Please keep in touch. And again, thank you for your husband and your service. Love, Izzy. Thank you so much once again. And I can't say how many thank yous, but just thank you, okay? And talk to you guys soon. Bye. Oh, y'all, I continue to keep forgetting to say this, but please thumbs up this video if you guys are enjoying all my luxury videos so far, and please subscribe if you guys are enjoying this type of content, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.